Yo guys, what's up? Here at crypto.com at Vvs Finance, the DeFi DApp inside crypto.com. And today we're looking at the newest offering, Argo. Now, let's go back in time, and we saw that we could have done Versa. Alright, interesting. Single finance I actually did participate in. And since then, it has gone down precipitously. Soon after the single offering, it was worth $123, the amount that I got. And now it's not worth that much. It's down to $23 last time I checked. It's bad. So I'm not going to participate in this IGO, but I want to let you guys be aware that this is out there. Now, the requirements here would be you have to have XVVS staked in the vault. All right, you have to have a 1 week vault. You can't be in multiple vaults. And you can see the requirements here. Interesting, all right? So you go back and look at my videos. I did stake a little bit of XVVS just to experiment with it, see how I liked it, and I'm not sure it's for me. I'm still trying to decide. But if you guys don't have it staked, here is the alternative. You can get in by just buying it, but there is a 1% additional fee. Big deal, right? So if you spend $100, you pay an extra $1. That's not a problem, especially if this thing goes to the moon. Now, I might do this anyway. I might do this option with like $20. So be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more videos and how to do this. Although by the time I post the video, it might be over. But maybe not. You can see here, up here, it starts in 1 day, 6 hours, and 35 minutes. I'm taping this at 10:30 at night or so on a Tuesday. So it's a little ways away. So I missed the staking window already. So the only way I could possibly participate is this one. All right, it says no limits, fee applies, and depending on how much you get in there, will depend how much of the percentage of the Argo that you get. So let me know if you guys are going to participate in this one. I'm still undecided. Let me know in the comments below. Maybe that'll sway my vote, and I'll put something into here. Alright, so you want to get Crow tokens. Alright, most of us have some Crow stacked, so not a problem. Alright, we got to commit. Alright, and then we go back and claim. So, here's some of the facts. You can go back to the web page here. Okay, it's the unlimited sale. Interesting. Okay, you can do both. Okay, fine. That's cool. The fee, like you said, is at 1%, or the fee will start at 1%. Well, that's interesting wording. I hadn't really noticed that before, but let me see if I can highlight it. It says, oh, I couldn't. The fee will start at 1%. Scroll to the top of the screen. Wow. I'm not sure what that means, but maybe we'll find out together. So be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more. Alright, there's a staking option. Here's the overflow. Alright. And prohibited in some places. I'm in the US, so not a big deal. At least for now, we can still participate in this, even though SEC is locking down on some of the percentage interest rates. Like if you guys watch my videos, Voyager is still paying some decent interest in some cryptos. However, for example, Celsius has stopped. So that is unfortunate. Crypto.com has not been affected yet. And you can see here that I do have some interest bearing in DeFi. I still have that VVS staked. value is dropping like a rock because now interest rates have dropped to 17.77%. That's pretty terrible. It used to be 100%, but now it's a fraction. That's unfortunate. But the Crow has been pretty stable at about 12%, and I like that a lot. So you can see the different stakes I have here. I divided it into different sections because once upon a time I had to unstake because there was a validator that was not really working out. And they were, every other day, they were not getting accruing percentage rates, because they were doing something wrong or whatever. The site was down. So I divided it so I won't have that problem again into different lots, and I'm trying to even those lots out. And we'll see how that works out. So be sure to subscribe and stay tuned. If you're a long-time subscriber, you know what I'm trying to do here. And it's a good deal. So, thanks for watching.